Hi, and thanks for watching. In this episode here, you will see us cleaning this A-coil, or also known as evaporative coil. You can see this material is almost like pet fur or a carpet on the coil. This coil was pretty old, probably about 10 years, so it's seen its time, and I would have liked to replace the coil, in fact, but we wanted to help this client and get them the furthest use they could out of their coil because it wasn't showing any leaks. So we went ahead and cleaned everything out and did a pressure test on the system again before reinstalling it into the air conditioning system. You can see the before, and after we're finished cleaning, nice and shiny, able to breathe. This coil was dirtier than most. Probably bad filtration, not changing your filters, or filters that are too thick and are cupping in the airstream, letting dust and debris pass by. But this is always important for your air conditioning, and a technician should check it, 5 years in, 10 years in, and clean as needed. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the film. Contact AmeriCare if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.